This place is like, the chandelier is gorgeous. I love the way it looks in here. Welcome back, loves. It's your girl, Nicole Mercedes, and today I decided to go explore the Cosmopolitan Hotel here in Las Vegas. The Cosmopolitan lobby has a digital art installation that combines architecture, contemporary art, and technology. There are 8 15-foot digital columns and a panel the size of the front desk that continuously displays a curated library of digital art. This place is like, the chandelier is gorgeous. I love the way it looks in here. So I think this is one of the clubs that's down there. The Cosmopolitan is a luxury resort in the heart of the Las Vegas Strip. Besides having Marquee Night and Day Club, there are a wide variety of stylish art, design, and culinary goods to explore here. So there are installations and immersive experiences throughout the resort that are interactive and accessible while cultivating an appreciation for the arts. Okay. I need a break. I need to finish my drink, and it's hot. I should have brought my glass. I really should have brought my glasses. Like, I'm squinting like I can't see. But I think it's so cool in here. After exploring for over an hour, I quickly got hungry and realized I gotta go eat something. There are over 26 different restaurants to choose from at the Cosmo. The Cosmopolitan was named one of the 7 must-visit hotels and resorts in the United States by Food and Wine, so I had to try something here. Located on the 2nd floor of the Cosmopolitan, Block 16 Urban Food Hall is a culinary destination like no other on the Vegas Strip. They search the country's city streets to bring the most craveable, easy-to-love food and drinks to Las Vegas. Alright, I'm gonna tell you, this whole like $6 for a tiny bottle of water, they doing too fucking much. Like, I bought a tiny one, this was $2. Like, come on. fog my eye. Damn. Bitch, this shit might be better than the Popeye sandwich. What the fuck you in my background for? Across from Block 16, there was a whimsical Alice in Wonderland themed sitting area that I had to check out. So this luxury resort did not disappoint me at all. Outside of the partying in Marquee, I was really impressed with what I saw. I loved all of the art installations, so if you love arts, museums, etc., like you would really like this place. And the food was really great, and the next time I visit, this run through totally convinced me to stay at the Cosmopolitan because I want to see more. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part of the Cosmopolitan, especially if you've been there already. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you back here next week for another travel vlog. Bye!